Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening to one and all. My name is Udayit. I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today I am going to teach you about Apache PHP and MySQL. Before going to start PHP, what is meant by Apache server? What is meant by Apache is a company. Okay. What is meant by Apache HTTP server? Apache HTTP server, what it will do? It handles client request. It handles client requests from browser to server. From browser to server. This point you have to remember in your mind. Okay. Next, PHP. PHP means what? PHP means what? Okay. It's a backend technology where we can process logic. Where we can process logic in backend. In backend. Okay. And MySQL is a database. And MySQL is a database. Why we use database? To store data. To store data. Together they form a stack called these three: Apache plus PHP plus MySQL together to form a stack form a stack called form a stack called lamp or vamp or XAMPP, lamp or vamp or XAMPP. Okay, next. Today I'm going to teach you about one example related to the banking website. One example related to the banking website. Okay, banking website. See what happens is when user logins, when user login, when user logs in, then user enters what username or password, yes or no, then browser sends, you log in into access bank website or ICICI website or HDFC website or SBI bank website or Union Bank website or like that different bank websites. You entered username and password, then what happened? Browser sends request. Browser sends requests. Okay, browser sends request to Apache. Browser sends request to Apache. Then what happened? Apache what? Sends Apache passes to Apache. Directly browser sends request to server. It's not possible. Through Apache, it is going to send. Apache passes to backend PHP to process logic. Then PHP checks in PHP checks in MySQL database. Then PHP checks in MySQL database. If correct, if correct, then login success. If correct, then login success. If wrong, then error. If wrong, then error. Okay. Same concept. Same concept used in where? Facebook login. Similar concept we use in Facebook login, banking applications, all the banking applications, and e-commerce. E-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart. This is how the processing will happen. Okay, sir. Why we used PHP, sir? Before that, there is no other technology like that. Some question they are going to ask. See, in old methods, what happens means static HTML pages are there. Static HTML pages are there. No database. no database. Okay, no dynamic content, no dynamic content. That's why, because of this, what are the problems we faced? Because of this, what are the problems we faced? Cannot store, cannot store cannot store users, cannot build, cannot build login systems, cannot build login systems, cannot handle real-time data. Okay, cannot store users, cannot build login systems, cannot handle real-time data. Okay, this is the problem that they are facing in before PHP. After PHP came, what happens? After PHP came, what happens? What happens? Dynamic websites they are going to build. They are going to build dynamic websites, and user authentication is there, and user authentication is there, and data storage is there, data storage is there, and real-time interaction is there, real-time interaction is there. Okay, that's why they are going for PHP. See, in olden days, in static sites, what happened? Just text only there, just text only there. But after in PHP site, what happens? What happens? Login, dashboard. I will show you the real-time practical example today. Okay, entire code I will show you. Login, dashboard, payments, all together in PHP site. That's why they are using PHP. Okay, for that they used one server called XAMPP server. XAMPP server. Okay, how the XAMPP server will look like, I will show you. XAMPP server. XAMPP control panel is there. There you need to start. See, Apache and MySQL. This you have to download, and this you need to start like this. Okay. In it includes what? The SAM server includes what? What it includes? It includes Apache, it includes MySQL, it includes PHP. I will show you XAMPP server. See, Apache is there, MySQL is there. Okay, it includes. Next, apart from the download XAMPP server, see, nothing is there. Go to download XAMPP server. Download XAMPP for Windows. If you mention now, you can download it. Okay, after that you can do like this. Okay, next, and you have to place every code in C drive, XAMPP, C drive. Where is the XAMPP and htdocs? Here you need to place the code inside htdocs. Okay, I will show you practical. Then you can able to understand easily. Okay, I will show you. No need to worry. Everything I will show you. Okay. Do one. See, without practical, you won't get. Even though if you get job, it's very difficult to work inside the company, because practical wise you have to think. Okay. Today I will show you just demo class, right? That's why I'm showing you practical related thing. In tomorrow's session, I will show you. Okay. In tomorrow's session, I will show you everything from basics, how this code I am writing, everything line by line I am telling in next session, after you pay the money. Okay, see, this is where your PHP code will be. See, login.html, I am writing username, password I am in the form tag I am taking. Okay, by using input types, and action is equal to login.php. What I am doing here, tell me. Here I am sending data to login.php. Here user enters username. Here password field we are taking. Okay. Then button to send. Okay, button means submit. Submit to send. Okay. And then Go to login.php. Here we are writing the code. In login PHP, what we are writing the code? See, connection MySQL connect. That means connect to MySQL database. Okay. Next, not equal to connection. That means check if connection failed or not. Next, this is username. Get username from form. Okay, like that. Get password from form. Like that. Okay. Next, select SQL query to check. Here I am going to connect SQL query to check. Okay. Next, execute query. Result means execute query. Next, if user exists, then show success message. See, if user exists, then show success message. Else invalid password, else user not found. Like that we will going to write a code. Okay, I will run this code. How to run that code? Go. How to run this code, tell me, anybody? How to run this code? See, for this purpose, we go to localhost PHP my admin tag. See, there you have to create the database. Demo underscore DB, I already created database. Okay. Then I created a table called users. I created a table called users. I created. Okay. I see table users. I will show you. Structure. See, users ID, username, password I am taking with int varchar of 50 with varchar of 255. Username what I am giving. Username what I am giving here. Username as admin. Password as I am hash coding. I am hash coding this one. See, actually it is 1234. Okay, I will run this code. No need to worry at all. Localhost. See, admin. Password is 1234. See, invalid password it is showing. Maybe password changed, I think. Login.html. I will try. Admin. Password is 123. See, login successful. Welcome back admin. It is going to display welcome back admin. See, here login successful means welcome back admin. It is going to display. This is how the code will be. Okay. Next, this is one type of code. This is how the code will be. Login successful, I am showing. This is how the authentication will be. Next, I want to show you one more practical also. Before going to show you the practical, I want to tell you few of the things. See, here what happens. Here what happens, tell me how the flow is going. User to browser. Initially it is going to browser, and then it is going to Apache, and then it is going to PHP, and then it is going to MySQL, and then it is going to PHP, and then it is going to browser. Apache browser, Apache PHP MySQL, PHP to browser. Okay, this is how the flow is going. Okay, when user opens login.html, see, when user opens, when your user opens login.html, what happens? Username password will came. You entered admin some password. Okay. Then form, this once you enter form, see, I mentioned credentials. Then when you submit form sent to PHP. PHP connects database. Data then checks data. Then MySQL returns result. Okay, this is PHP showing whether login successful or not. Okay, I will show you. See, when you write this thing, see, when you run this code, see, first when you run this code, enter username or and password, and then form sent to PHP, and then form send directly to PHP. No, form send data to PHP. Whatever the data you entered, the data is sent to PHP. Then in PHP, what they are doing? I created database, right? Here I created, see, here I created database, right? Demo underscore DB. This everything I created in that MySQL related things in PHP admin. Okay. Then what happens here? What happens here? Tell me. Did anybody? Once forms the data sent to PHP, then in PHP what happens? It connects the database. Database means MySQL, and it checks data. And then what happens? MySQL returns result. MySQL returns result. Then PHP shows success or failure. This is how the processing will happen. And finally, if correct means, then login successful. That only no, I am showing. Otherwise, invalid path, invalid credentials. That's why here when I run this code, what happened? What we are going to get here when I run this code? After running this code, what happened? After running this code, what happened? It is asking, okay, then this form data sent to PHP. PHP, what it will do? It will check in the database, and then it will let MySQL return that database, and then finally login successful page will come. Okay. If password mismatch means, then login failure, invalid credentials. I will show you that also. I will show you that also. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, invalid password it is showing. Okay, this is how the processing. See, this code is normal basic code only, but in real world, so in this code we are using password hashing. Okay, prepared statements used for security. Here, prepared statement I used for security purpose. See, binding parameter I used, prepared statement I used. Why I am using prepared statement? These all things means for security. At runtime we are going to passing. Okay. Here what it is saying means password is hashing. See, in see, if you go to here, see, password is showing not some 1 2 3 4 like that. It is showing some string or some value. This is nothing but a hashing, password hashing. This is called password hashing. This is called password hashing. This code I already this code only just now I showed you. I remove this code and I want to show you another code. Okay, I want to show you another code. I will show you. I want to show you another example. Same code only with another example. See, this I want to show you. See, we will see. Here we are not doing any password hashing. Directly we are doing. See, after this, what happens means I will show you. When I run this code, see, it is asking admin. It is asking 1 2 3 4. See, invalid credentials. If password is correct, then I will show you. If password is correct, admin. If password is correct, then if password is wrong, this is okay. If password is correct, then admin. Okay, I will try. Admin 1 2 3. Okay, see, invalid credentials it is showing because we need to change. See here, still it is showing string only. Okay, this you need to delete and you have to run few of the comments. That then only it will come. I already done password hashing. This is the code. Previously it is password hashing. Previous code is password hashing only. Previous code is password hashing only. Okay, instead of demo underscore db, I will create some other database. I will try. Okay, wait. See, new database demo underscore db, abc underscore db. I will try. abc underscore db. I will try. Okay, and then what I need to try, users structure, relational view, structure, id, root of 11. Okay, then what I need to do, abc underscore db, right? abc underscore db sql. I want to write table users. Okay, create a table with users. Okay, with users id int of flower username or correct id int of flower username array of 50 password. I know how to write, but I don't have time again. Password marker of 255. I will try. See, this we need to run here. Where is ABC demo? This is the ABC demo, right? In SQL query, I am going to run this thing. See, I am going to run this thing. Then go. I run this thing. Okay. Then what I need to do? Then insert the data into a table. Insert a data into about table. Okay. Okay. Insert the data into the table. Then what I need to do? I need to do insert the data into the table. Admin secure password 123 1234. Okay, I'm writing this thing. Okay, now what I want to do is, after doing these all things, then I need to do one thing. See, login dot, here where is the code, abc underscore db, abc underscore db, here admin, no, root, here root only, abc underscore db. Okay, I will try. Login dot html, then admin, then 1 2 3 4. See, login successful. See, login successful. This is one normal code. Admin I given 1 2 3 4 I given. But this is, see, we will see here abc underscore db, right? See, here when you browse, see, username is admin, password is 1234. But when we go for demo db, I changed code. I want to change this code to old code. So old code, this code. Here what I am doing is I am using prepared statement. I am using prepared statement and I am binding the parameter for password hashing. If password hashing, if you do, what happens is, see, I will run this code, login.html, username admin, see, login successful, good. But what you want to observe is, in DemoDB, when you go for users, when you browse it, see, username admin, password is some hashing, some lengthy string it is taking, lengthy string numbers, lengthy string value it is taking. But previous here, what happened? Admin 1234 is the password. What is the difference between these two? This is a normal username and password. Here, for security reasons, they are giving this lengthy password. Nobody can crack this password. For that purpose, they are providing security. That is the reason they used this thing. Okay, now you understand, right? Here on today in today's class, what are the topics that we discussed? What is Apache? What is Apache HTTP server? What is PHP? What is MySQL? Along with examples and installation of XAMPP server and starting the server, and then we are creating the database, writing the HTML form, writing the PHP code, run the project. Along with that, what we are showing here, password check. See, earlier login was not that much secure. That's why they used this password hashing. Okay, by using prepared statement, SQL injection prevention. Prepared statement they are using. See, prepared statement, callable statement, prepared statement, statements. Okay, JDBC will came in Java. Okay, prepared statement they are using. See, okay, question mark they give me. Runtime they are going to pass that value. Okay, SQL prepared statements they use. See, prepare means it protect from hackers. It protect from hackers because we are using question mark. Okay, that's why it protects from hackers. Bind para means safely it is going to send the data. Safely it is going to send the data. Password underscore verify means what it will do means it checks encrypted password. Password underscore verify means it checks encrypted password. Okay, this is how what happens. Previous flow and this flow, what is the difference between these two flows? In previous flow and this flow, what is the difference? See, in previous flow, user to browser, browser to Apache, Apache to user to browser, browser to Apache, Apache to PHP, MySQL, PHP to browser. But here user to PHP and PHP to secure query. Secure query they are going to do, and after securing query they are connecting with the database and then verify, and then what they are going to verify, their password they are going to verify, and then output they are going to display. Very important, they are going to ask you definitely in interview. Okay, next I want to show you a real-time example like Amazon and Flipkart. See, in Amazon product listing, add to cart. See, Amazon e-commerce website, you know, right? I show you. See, Amazon, Amazon. See, here products are listing. Here products are listing cooker, laptop, mobile, like that. And add to cart, whatever you want, you can add to cart and check out. Right? Like that, I want to show you one live example practically. Okay. Okay. Open folder. This code I already written. I will tell you each and everything, no need to worry right now. Right now, I want to show you how the PHP code will work. Okay, these many things are there in e-commerce app. Admin dashboard orders products. Okay, user space CSS, size.css, images. Three images I taken, script.js, login, logout, register, DB include header, footer. One example, just example I am showing. cart, checkout, index. Okay. See, login.php some code, logout.php some code, like that I am returning. See, in index.php what I am reading, in index.php what I am writing, see index.php what I am writing, nothing I am writing. I am fetching all products, loop using while loop. See, while loop I am using, fetching all products one by one, and then displaying name and price I am displaying. Okay, add to cart what I am see, user view products, yes or no, user means you view this product, and then click add, then add to cart is happening, then php is connected to database, then cart is going to update, yes or no. See, in real world, in SBI, HDFC, these all areas, these things are happening. Okay, like that, each and everything. See, I want to show you how to run this code. I want to show you how to run this code. I want to show you how to run this code. Here in register page, password hashing we are using, insert for storage, storing user, and then everything we are using. Initially we created user table, course, user table, product table, orders table, everything. Okay. Okay, I want to show you one. See, see, this is the directory structure. This is the directory structure I created. Okay, user table I created, create table users, create table product I used, create table cart I used, create table orders I used. Then in db.php I am connecting to SQL. Okay, header I used. Okay, styles.css I used. Three. Okay, next, like that we used. Okay. Okay, first we what we are going to do, we are going to register. What we are going to do, we are going to see, we are going to register. In register, admin some password I given, username already exists, it is showing. Okay, then okay, okay, username already exists. Okay, login.php will say. Okay, admin. See, it what it do, once you enter login or details, inside the home page it went. There I have two products, laptop and mobile. And if you want add to cart, see, add it to cart. Previously mobile I added, now laptop I added. That's why it is added to cart. Again I want to add mobile. Okay, see, total 90,000 I added to cart. Total 90,000 I added to cart. Next, what I want to do is, after cart added, checkout I want to do. Checkout dot page. Total amount 90,000. Then order placed. Okay. Checkout means that only. After that, what we need to do? After checkout, what I want to do? I want to check in admin dashboard. I want to check in admin dashboard. See, total user, one user registered, two products he registered, total orders two. Previously already one product added. That's why, see, manage products two. Okay. Then view orders two. These two I added. Okay, 20,000 I added. Okay. See, then if I delete means, then if I delete orders, then we gonna go back. See, view orders empty. Okay, products two now. So okay, we can go back. Delete from products first. I will not want to. Delete from cart. Edit from cart. Okay, then we will go login.php. Not this login.php. Sorry, I want to do this. Admin 1 2 3 4 login cart. Okay, these many things are there. Okay, I want to delete those things. Delete from cart. Now we will check. Login.php. Enter cart initially. Nothing is there. Okay. I want to add 50,000. Okay. Then come back. Then 20,000 also I want to add. Okay. Then checkout I am doing. Once you add it to cart, then checkout. See. Checkout.php. Checkout. I am just showing the basic full Amazon like website I am going to show you in PHP and MySQL. Total amount 2 I am added, 2 products, 50,000 plus 20,000, 70,000 order placed. See in checkout.php that only I am written. There is checkout. See in checkout.php it is fetching the result. Okay. Then finally order placed. That's why order placed 70,000 total amount order placed. Then in admin dashboard I want to see admin dashboard. Admin dashboard. See total users 1, products 2, orders 1. See manager products, laptop plus mobile. Okay, view orders 70,000. Okay, then log out you have to do. Then see, then log out. That's how the small Amazon project application I am showing you in PHP. See, this much structure is there for just normal showing overview. Imagine how many Amazon website you can see how this navigation will be in the header and how that navigation will be in the footer. How many things are there? Okay, how many products are there in the search bar? Okay, how many images are there? And if you click on that, see, if you click on one product, then how it redirects to another area. Okay, and then if we add it to cart, how it is added to cart, and then the sum of the amount, and then the checkout, and then the ratings, and then the review. Here the filtering options are there. If everything we want to do means, see, this is just an application. For this only this much directory structure is there means overview of the entire Amazon application, how much directory structure will be there, how many things are there, how much time it will take. Okay, I will show you each and everything in practical. No need to worry at all. Okay, thank you guys. See my website name is, this is demo class. In tomorrow's class we have to pay the fees if you want the course. Okay, udayit.get-site.net is my website, and Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. If you go to youtube.com and then you can type this thing, I will show you YouTube channel and @Udayit Academy. Okay, I will show you Udayit Great Episode is my website. Okay, PHP MySQL, right? Okay, go now. PHP 7,909. Sign up free. Initially, you have to create an account. Once you create this account, you will get login credentials. Say login here. Then use that username and password. Otherwise, you can use username and password. Otherwise, go to home and then search for PHP. See, go down. See PHP development Just 7,999 only I am taking. This is the summer discount. After summer, it will increase it to 20,000 also. Only for summer's sake, for the students' sake, I am reducing the amount from 14,000 to 8,000 nearly. Okay, plus 18% GST also there. See, go to enroll now, and then you have to log in username and password, and then inside that bank credentials are there. You have to pay the fees if you want if you want to attend tomorrow's session, because I need to send a new link to you. Go Google Meet link. Through that link only sessions are going on. Okay, if you have any doubts, see, go to home. Below that, this is my mobile number, this is my email ID, everything is there. You can call me or you can ping me. Okay, next, see, the less fees only I am telling. Okay, but more in practicals nobody will show you in the demo session, but I will show you. Okay, I will teach you everything from scratch to basics. Okay, not only that, I will make you to write the code in a perfect way, so that you can go inside the industry, IT industry also, you can easily work. Okay, like that I will prepare you. Okay, okay. And my phone number is also there in that home page. And you see, youtube.com, youtube.com, go Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. See, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Go there and then see. These are all courses I am telling. Okay. In this Udayit Great Center also, see, so many courses are there. We are teaching. Agentic AI, Pega, BPM, Salesforce, Agentic AI, AWS, cybersecurity, data science, Python, data structures, ethical hacking, full stack, generative AI, Kubernetes, machine learning, men's stack, networking, full stack, Spring and Motor, microservices, .NET development, advanced Java, AI prompt engineering. These many courses we are taking. What are the courses? What you can see? These many courses up to now we uploaded demo videos. Go through the youtube.com, then you can see. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. It was nice meeting to all of you. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can call me, ping me, or chat with me. Okay. In tomorrow's session, we are going to meet. Okay. Don't forget to pay the fees. Okay. If you send the fee, if you pay the fees only, then I will send the Google Meet link. Okay. Thanks everybody. Have a nice day. It was nice meeting to all of you. Bye.